Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn with Omii. So, would you work remotely if you could earn from the international companies? But today, in this video, I'm going to show you that the latest Turing job, which one you can actually apply for, and also if you are going to get any mistake and why your application is not going to be accepted, or we will find the good way how to fill the application in the proper way and uh, stay till the end of the video means for the freshers which role you are going to apply and why we should apply for this role means are the Turing remote jobs that you are going to get. You are going to earn dollars by working 4 hours or 8 hours or the part time you can do all these things, but you are first well known about what the things Python language as well as deployment and all that things. So come to the part that is first we should understand what the Turing is that. And so it is an truly global remote jobs which you are going to get from the Silicon Valley, and you are going to work safely from the home with the leading US companies and tech enterprise. High paying contracts that you are going to get directly payment in the US, that is dollars, and elite AI integration. But you should know all about things, LLM models and pipelines and all that, how to build RAG models, all that things. So the core skill you must master that is backend, and the second thing is about system foundation, and the third thing is about AI engineer. So for the beginner level, you can uh, join with or you can apply with the position of if you are knowing the Python, if you are well known about Git and the basic REST APIs, that you should go. If these are the experience tiers, and at last if you are going to get an advanced level, then you are going to know more about LLM models, LangChain, RAG and multi-agent systems. Although you can learn more about how to be how the Gen AI is going to be work and all that automation system. So for this complete developer, you have to follow this roadmap. First, you have to learn Python, GitHub Focus, then build agent, then DSA waiting, and then you need to build one good ATS friendly resume, and you need to apply for this role continuously. And if you want to learn the Python, then you can join with me. That I'm continuing the series with Python from beginner to the pro level. So please watch that on the similar channel. That is Learn with Om. So let's see how we can apply for these Turing jobs, remote jobs that we are going to see. First, here we have to work for, or you first search on the search bar, that is work.turing.com. Then you are going to get this on the slides. This is an Turing official web page, and here you are going to get all the jobs and the applications that or what the roles you are the company is going to be offer. And if you are going to refer this person, then you are also going to get some referral bonus. So it is one better option that you can also get better referral bonus, as well as you can earn from these job roles. For example, if I click on the software, then I am going to get all the senior LLM engineer, senior Python developer, as well as Python plus full stack JS developer. So you are going to get all these jobs, and there are too many remote jobs here, and you can go with this. And whenever you are going to apply for this role, you are going to means you should put your LinkedIn ID, GitHub ID, GitHub link, and all that things for their back verification. And after the complete application, for example, we will apply for automation test engineer. And whenever I click on the apply now, so it will take me to the page where I should give all the data. Means yes, are you interested in this opportunity? Yes, I'm interested. Then you need to fill all the LinkedIn profile as well as the GitHub profile. If you are having Google Scholar profile URL, then you also can fill up that. Then they will ask for the type of availability and the notice period. Means they will ask for 8 hour shift or the 4 hour shift. It is depend upon you, and you can give your time zone, in what time zone you are going to be confirm, means you are going to be work or you are having more comfortable. Also, if there is switch, then it will be asked for you that to overlap the time, and then you should confirm your rate, how much hourly you are going to be deserves to work there. Got it. So here is one disclaimer that 1 USD equal to 86 INR means 1 USD is equal to 86 rupees they are going to give you. And all these things you have to do. And after that, if you are joining, if completed that process, then they are having some test. So you need to complete this machine learning test, PyTorch test, or if you are applying for particular job role, then they are having different test skills. Now I have clicked here for machine learning with PyTorch developer. Then I am getting these skills, and also you need to complete these skills, and you will get one email from the Turing.com, and then you can complete that assessment completely, totally, and then you can have the result from them. You can hope the good result from them if you are doing your best. But although you have to learn all these things, PyTorch and Django framework, all this framework. So in this way, you can apply for the Turing roles and you can earn dollars by sitting at your home. Although they are having 4 millions of weighted network and that is securely and fully automated, they can going to do their work, and there is a secure and fully automated global wire transfer of USD, so you can get USD dollars from them. The next part is about what you have to do. First, you have to deep your Python expertise, and then create public portfolio. Then standardize your CV for the good ATS score, and then apply continuously, and you will get definitely reply from them. So stay tuned with such a good channel, and I hope that you have understood what I explained in this video. And if you want that how to clear that all the test, all that data, so make a comment and see you soon. Bye bye. Have a nice day.